Hello, what's up guys? I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel, and welcome to second tutorial of our series C++ programming. In this video we will write our very first program in the C programming and how to use the functions and know its structure. Okay, so let's start it. Let me first create a new folder. Okay, let me first close the file and okay, go to the file option and open folder. Okay guys, so you can create a new folder where you want. I will create a new folder on the desktop, new, and the folder, and here I will type C++ tutorials. Okay, so we will open this folder, select. Okay, great. Now we are in a new folder that is named C++ programming. C++ tutorials. So in this folder, by this plus symbol we can create new file. By this plus symbol we can create new folder. So first we will create a new file or write a program and give it name to the main.cpp. Okay, cpp means C++. So in this program we will write our program, and in C++ our program is started with IO stream has include and the IO stream. Okay, and after that use int main, and here we will for the print out our text or the any word on the output screen. In C++ we use cout function, cout, and these less than symbols, and whatever you type between the parentheses after typing these less than symbols, or the I will type hello world, after that semicolon. Okay, so it is showing the error because we didn't declare its standard. If I type std like that, now it's okay. So now we will print it and we get our this text hello world on the output screen, hello world. So how many times you type this line, if you use this function hello world, and you have to type std or its standard for the same time, but if we didn't use the std in the starting of our function, wait for it. So we can use here using namespace std. Okay, so now we no need to type the standard again and again for several times. So here I will type hello world. If I add the element Nikki, and now let's run this program. Now it will print hello world Nikki. Okay, wait, here you can see hello world Nikki, but it didn't print the Nikki into the new line. So what we have to do, so now we have to do make it end this line by the E and L, it means end line. Okay, now we print the text and it will type Nikki into the new line. So let's see, hello world Nikki. Okay, now you can see hello world Nikki, and another way of print the this word into the new line we can do that all. Wait, okay, make it, and after that /n, and now again execute the program. Now we will get the same answer, hello world and Nikki. Okay, so now let me explain you what is inside the program and how it works. So okay, now let me tell you what is the all elements in the program. So that is the called, our header file is called the preprocessor or header file for output statement. Okay, so that is our preprocessor or the header file for the output statement. Okay, and now what is this? That is our main function of the program. Okay, and it is our standard that tell our compiler to print the line without using a standard in every line. Okay, and what is the both lines? These both lines are called the output statement. Okay, so and that's all. These all are the statement called out, that is the cout function is the output statement, and that is the main function of program, and that is the preprocessor or header file for output statement. Okay, now so now we have known about the this structure of the program, what is the all elements in the program. Okay, so now in the next video we will know about the data types and variable in C++. So I hope you understand this and how a program works. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you again.